Hi guys, back here. I'm going to introduce you to our infinite NATOs. Okay, where's your NATO? Where's your NATO?
I don't know. Hey! Whisker on my junk food eating.
Wait, ouch, what's in my butt? Oh, it's Furious, my NATO. See, so shiny, you can't even see.
Battle begin!
Oh,
Okay.
paano bibigyan? So guys, I'm just going to launch this. Wait. Just wait. 1, 2, 3, go! And there they go. Oh god, please. Defeat them!
Reflection attack!
Hey guys, I hope you're enjoying the battle versus Whisker and Furious.
Round 1.
Wait for me, buddy. You can do it. I believe in you. Spin more, buddy. Please. No!
Yes! Absorbing energy.
Looks like I let him down.
Oh.
He won. He's shining, freezing, lightning, tingy. Okay, guys, ready for round 2? Here we come. I can actually launch it now by using only one hand. Just wait. Wait. See my feet first. It's so beautiful. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go! Oh god, epic fail. Reset!
Round 3.
Just wait, guys. I'm just going to click this. Okay, back here for round 3.
Round
3.
3. Start!
There they go. There they go. You can do it!
Final ride! Go! Ha! There comes.
Combo him! I believe in you, Furious. You can do it. Let's see some distractions, like using other.
Wait!
Oh god. Killed by my own cheat, guys. That's why I never cheat on Beyblading. Beyblading is having fun, not about anything else. See that shiny. Okay, can you show us your spin rotation?
Marathon! Go!
That's how it spins. So, if I just aim, can you hold the camera for me?
Okay, yes.
Ending strike number 5.
Oh!
You can do it! Let's use some distractions, guys. Launching. 3, 2, 1. Ending strike.
Wait! Don't! Stop that.
Okay.
Stop. You're cheating.
Go!
I think it's a round 4 now.
Yep.
But the next is the final round.
Where will I use my full strength?
But I can't use Whisker in final round.
I won't. Okay, I give up. I know Whisker will lose. Okay, so guys, I'm
Okay.
going to show you.
Hey!
Oh man.
Okay, Whisker.
So, putting NATOs and Beyblades in freezers make them stronger. Now, I'll show you.
Give my galak. My
So, I'm going to show you my special move. Okay, here it comes. Go! And ending strike 5.
Wait.
Wait, fail.
Wait, give me my...
Okay.
Where's the Zero G launcher?
Go!
Wait.
I'll just aim for it, guys. Oh god. It's crumbling to pieces. Oh god. Give me the camera.
Yes.
Can you see this, guys?
Oh, what is this?
See this now? It's a part of him that me destroyed.
Ano ba yan? Oh, man. This is my Mercury Anubis.
Go!
Oh, man. No.
All base are scared. Do it! So guys, we're going to watch this battle since Whisker's not able because he's going to be recharging back all his power. Well, okay, this must be it for today. See you guys tomorrow, next week, later, who cares?